Brian here with the West Automotive Group. Hey, today we're talking about tires and alignment on your vehicle, and mainly what can happen to tires if the vehicle's not aligned properly. So on a regular basis, at least yearly, it's a great idea to get your vehicle in for an alignment check. During the alignment check, all the items that get checked are such as for worn ball joints or control arm bushings, worn out shocks and struts, which can cause cupping on tires, tie rod ends that are worn out, and other items like that. So all the suspension, control arms, shocks, struts, all those items need to be looked at really well when you get your vehicle in for alignment. A vehicle can be knocked out of alignment pretty easily by running up against a curb or hopping up over a curb, items like that, that will cause excessive tire wear. As you can see, we have some really bad tire wear on this tire here. And this is caused by worn out components in a vehicle being out of alignment. When the components wear out, the alignment's not in on the vehicle and can't be set properly. So make sure and get your vehicle in, have it checked yearly, and have components replaced that are worn out. It will save your tires and make them last a lot longer. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.